Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reload your CelcomDigi Prepaid using a reload pin that you purchased from a shop, like 7-Eleven, Happy Mart, or any other shop. First, open the CelcomDigi app on your phone. On the home screen, tap on the View All option. Now tap on Reload Pin or Enter Pin option. Next, take your reload slip or card from the shop and find the 16-digit or 18-digit PIN number. Enter the PIN number correctly in the box. Tap Next or again, tap Next. Your reload pin successful, and your balance will update instantly. That's how you reload your CelcomDigi Prepaid using a PIN. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.